How can we steal ideas from others without copying or cheating? Well, don't do this for the entire essay, but if you're feeling stuck, use this brilliant 3-step technique. The best time to use this technique is for hooks at the beginning of your essay and during that reflection at the very end. Step 1, pull up your favorite essay, like this one from the New York Times. Growing up in rural China, my mom concerned herself not with what she would wear to school every day, but rather how she could provide for her family. Step 2, we're going to borrow the same sentence structure, but now we're going to use details from our own life. Growing up during Mao Zedong's Cultural Revolution, my dad concerned himself with how he could provide for his sister to go to college, so he worked on a commune. Step 3, switch up some of the verbs and nouns and inject your own voice. My dad was raised during the onset of the Cultural Revolution. After foregoing university so his sister could attend, my dad worked on a commune as a farmer. And that's it. I'm Kevin Zensei, and don't forget to like and follow for more tips.